Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of The Other Chef. So recently I just went back and traveled internationally for the first time since 2018. If you want to see that series of me going to Scandinavia, in particularly Iceland, Sweden, and Denmark, check out the links up here. But this trip is actually going to Southeast Asia and also sprinkling a 2 day stopover to Tokyo, Japan as well. So those three countries, to include Tokyo, were Singapore and my parents' native country of Vietnam. During this time, for the next 2.5 weeks of my travels, I visited Singapore and also the three regions in Vietnam. So the south, the central, and the northern regions. There is a lot of information and a lot of content that I have recorded, and I want to share with you everything from what you need before entering the country to where to go and also things to do during that time. And also, there's going to be a couple of other side videos, for example, what to pack, how much to bring, and also cooking some of the food that I had during my travels. So, starting on a new time, Wednesdays, 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I will start posting videos throughout my travels for the next couple of weeks. Hopefully, you'll be able to join me, subscribe to the channel, because more than 85% of you are watching the videos but are not subscribing. But in all seriousness, I'm so glad to be able to be on the YouTube channel. And also, if you guys have been following me throughout social media such as Facebook and Instagram, you probably would have seen a little bit of where I've been for the last couple of weeks. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next couple of videos.